Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel guys. This morning I'm going to make a banana apple smoothie and I want to share it with you guys. This is what simple, I'm going very to use to make my my smoothie. I'm going to use some apple. I have the peel one and I have the unpeeled, so I mix them. I have one banana here and I have some flaxseed here. I have some milk and I have some oats. Okay, I'm gonna use some ice. Okay, all right, so let's blend. Let's start the blend. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some ice first in that. Second, I'm gonna throw my milk. I'm gonna put my apple. Alright guys, so in this we have our milk, our ice, our banana and our apple. I'm gonna blend it out, then add the flaxseed. Okay, add some flaxseed. So the flaxseed guys, your choice, you don't have to use flaxseed, but for me I like to use the flaxseed in my smoothie. So that's like a teaspoon and a half of flaxseed. All right guys, so I'm gonna put some oats, but guys, your choice if you want to put oats or not, because the flaxseed I already get it nice and thick and rich. And you know you want to go the healthy way, the flaxseed, but I'm gonna put a little oats in mine, like a small handful. But your choice if you want to use the oats or not. Okay, so this is my breakfast guys. This is my breakfast. Once me drink this after 12. Yep. Okay, but you don't have to have no sugar guys. I know the banana in it. You don't even need sugar. The banana in it. But maybe add a little bit of sugar. Maybe add like a teaspoon of sugar. Because the banana already in it. But maybe I already add a teaspoon, so we good. Alright guys, so dirty tastes good. Right, guys, ready for drink guys. Smoothie time. Here you go guys, here you go. Ooh, my goodness. My goodness guys. Look at this guys. Guys, I'm gonna enjoy flaxseed, a little flaxseed. Look at this guys. I'm gonna enjoy guys. I'm so excited for drink my smoothie guys. Yes, yes, yes. Taste this. Yes, 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 guys. Yeah, I love it. It's so delicious, guys. Yes, guys, you have to try it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, guys. You have to try this. Hurry up, guys. Guys, when you drink this, you don't need no breakfast. And this is your breakfast. You don't need no breakfast after drinking this, guys. All right, guys, hurry up real quick, guys. Hurry up and get your banana, guys. Get your apple, get some milk, get some sugar and some ice. All right, thank you so much for watching. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.